Hello, good afternoon, my dear students. Myself, Bhageshri Joshi from Sankalp Learning Solutions. So, yes. So, welcome to the class. Today, we are going to discuss about the chapter surface areas and volumes. Okay. So this is the very important chapter as far as your examination is concerned. And on this chapter, we are going to get 1 mark questions, 2 mark questions, 3 marks questions, and 4 and 5 marks questions also we will get. Okay. So on the point of examination, this chapter is very important chapter. Yes. So surface area and volume. In this chapter, we are going to discuss about the surface areas. Okay, curved surface area and total surface area and also volumes of some figures. That means ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ್ದನ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್. Okay, total surface area of cube, lateral surface or curved surface area of cube and volume of the cube. Next one is cylinder. Cylinder, total surface area of the cylinder and curved surface area of the cylinder and volume of the cylinder. Next comes cone. Cylinder is like this. It contains two curved surface, right? Cone. ನೀವು ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದಿರಲ್ವಾ, ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ that is also in the shape of cone. Next comes sphere, half sphere, right? Next circle. Okay, ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಈ ಒಂದು ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 1 minute. This chart is very important. Okay, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಈ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಯಾಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ in this chart it has total surface area, curved surface area and volume of all the shapes. That means these are the formulas of cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, sphere and hemisphere. Okay, half sphere, that we call it as hemisphere. Cube volume of the cube is side. If I consider this side is A, okay, then volume of the 1 minute, I will erase it first. Yes, volume of the cube is side cube. That means A cube. Curved surface area of the cube is 4 into A square, right? And total surface area is 6 into A square. Why? Because the cube has 6 faces. ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು faces ಇರುತ್ತೆ? 6 faces ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So, in case of total surface area, we are going to consider all the 6 faces. But in case of curved surface area, we are considering only 4 faces. So, ಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಇರುವಂತಹ faces ಅನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಉಳಿದಿರುವಂತಹ faces ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 4 faces ಇದೆ. So, length of that 4 faces of sides, that is 6A square is total surface area and curved surface area is 4A square. Next, cuboid. Volume of cuboid is length into breadth into h. Okay, L into B into h. And curved surface area is 2 into L plus B into h. ಇದನ್ನು ಹೀಗೂ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. You can write 2 into L plus B into h, or else you can write 2 into L plus B. Means this is capital letter, this is small letter. ಯಾವುದನ್ನ ಬರೆದ್ರು ಕೂಡ okay. Next, total surface area 2 into L into B plus B into H plus L into H. Okay. Next, in case of cylinder, volume of the cylinder is pi r square h and curved surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi rh. Okay, this is very important. And total surface area is 2 pi rh plus 2 pi r square. That we can write it as 2 pi r is common and we left with h plus r. Okay, 2 pi r is 2 pi r into r plus h or h plus r. Next, in case of cone, Volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h, and to curved surface area is pi r l. L can be defined by r square plus h square. Okay. Total surface area is pi r l plus pi r square. So pi r is common, r plus l. Pi r into r plus l is the total surface area of the cone. Next, sphere. In case of sphere, 4 by 3 pi r cube is the volume of the sphere, and 4 pi r square is a curved surface area, and 4 pi r square is a total surface area. So ಇದನ್ನ surface area ಅಂತಾನೆ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Okay. Next, hemisphere. In case of hemisphere, 2 by 3 pi r cube. This is very important. 2 by 3 pi r cube is the volume of the hemisphere. Remember, this is very important. Curved surface area is 2 pi r square, and total surface area is 3 pi r square. This is total surface area 3 pi r square. Curved surface area 2 pi r square, and volume is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Okay. So next, frustum of cone. What do you mean by frustum of cone? ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ frustum of cone ಅಂತ. frustum of cone ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? See, if we consider one cone, ಒಂದು ಕೋನ್ ಇದೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಿಡಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕಟ್ ದ ಕೋನ್ ಇಂಟು 2 parts. ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಮಿಡಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ 2 shapes, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಶೇಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕೆಳಗೆ ಒಂದು ಶೇಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಇದೇನ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಅರ್ಧ ಆಗಿ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಉಳಿದಿದೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಫ್ರಸ್ಟಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೋನ್. ಓಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ರಸ್ಟಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೋನ್ ಇಸ್ 1 by 3 pi into h r1 square plus r2 square plus r1 into r2. CSA of frustum of cone is pi into r1 plus r2 into l. L is square root of h square. Actually, L is square root of h square plus r square. Okay. But r is r1 minus r2 square here. Okay. Remember, total surface area of frustum of cone, pi into r1 plus r2 into L plus pi r1 square plus pi r2 square. This is the total surface area of frustum of cone. Okay. Next, based on these formulas, we can solve some multiple choice questions. Okay. These all are multiple choice questions, MCQs. First question is, volume of the cylinder is, volume of a cylinder is 300 meter cube. Volume of the cone whose radius and height is equal to that of the cylinder is. That means volume of the cylinder they have given, that is 300 meter cube. Volume of the cone whose radius and height is equal to that of the cylinder. Then how can you find out the volume of the cylinder? Volume of the cone, that means volume of the cone is equal to, ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Okay. See, my dear students, pi r square h is, this is the volume of cylinder, right? But ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಷ್ಟಂತ? 300 ಮೀಟರ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. pi r square h ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? This is the volume of cylinder. It is volume of cylinder, right? We know the value of pi r square h, that is 1 by 3 into 3. 3 ones are 0, 0. Therefore, volume of the cone is 100 meter cube. Okay. Option D is right. When you want to calculate the volume, that should be in meter cube or centimeter cube. Okay. Next, surface area of a sphere whose radius is 7 centimeter. Here we have to find out the surface area of the sphere. Yes. What is the formula to calculate surface area of the sphere? That is 4 pi r square. Alva? Surface area of the sphere is equal to 4 pi r square, right? So in this question, surface area of a sphere whose radius they have given, that is 7 centimeter. R they have given, right? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ R ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. R is equal to 7 centimeter they have given. 4 into pi value is 22 divided by 7 into R square is 7 into 7, right? 7 and 7 will get cancelled. 22 into 4 is 88. 88 into 7. 8 sevens are 56. 8 sevens are 56 plus 5 is 61. That means 616 centimeter square it is. Because the radius is in centimeter, surface area can be denoted by centimeter square. ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್, ಮೀಟರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. Therefore 616 centimeter square. Okay, next. The formula to calculate the curved surface area of frustum of cone is whether it is pi into r1 square plus r2 square into L or pi into r1 minus r2 into L, pi into r1 plus r2 into L, or pi into r1 square minus r2 square into L. Yes, which one is right here? Curved surface area, that means it is CSA of frustum of cone. Just now only we discussed, that is pi into r1 plus r2 into L. That means option C is right. Okay, next. Formula to calculate the total surface area of right circular cylinder. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗ? TSA. TSA means what? Total surface area of right circular cylinder is whether it is pi r square h or 2 pi r into r plus h or pi r into r plus h, 2 pi r square into r plus h. Yes, which option is right here? Pi r square h is volume of the cylinder. So it is wrong. 2 pi r into r plus h. This option is right. Pi r into r plus h agala. 2 pi r square into r plus h agala. So the formula to calculate total surface area of circular cylinder. Why we call cylinder as a circular cylinder? Because it has two circular ಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಮೇಲಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಕೆಳಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಬಾಟಲ್. ಬಾಟಲ್ ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಮೇಲ್ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ as ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್. Pi 2 pi r into r plus h is the total surface area of circular cylinder. Next, formula to find the volume of a solid sphere. Formula to find out the volume of a solid sphere, that means it is the volume of sphere. Yes, which one is right here? Volume of sphere, solid sphere. For 2 by 3 pi r cube, 1 by 3 pi r cube, 4 by 3 pi r cube, or 1 by 3 pi r cube. 1 by 3 pi r cube is not there. 1 by 3 pi r cube, same option. It is pi r square. This is pi r cube. This is also wrong. 2 by 3 pi r cube is a hemisphere. But we want solid sphere. That is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So option C is right. Mathematical relationship between slant height L, height h and radius r. See, this is a cone. This height we call it as a L and this height we call it as a h and this one is radius. Okay. The relationship between L, R and H. L is a slant height. L square is equal to H square plus R square, or L square is equal to H square minus R square. L square is equal to H square, R square minus H square. L is equal to square root of H square minus R square. Yes, which option is right here? L square is equal to H square plus R square. So option A is right. Okay. Next, if the radius of the cone is R, okay, height is H, then the slant height L is. So again, this is also same question. Idanne ನಾವು here, this is a here it is in the form L square. Idu L square thara ide, but here we want L. For that L square is equal to H square plus R square adre. L means what? Square root of H square plus R square. Right? Square root of H square plus R square. So option C is right. Right? Option C is right. Next, lateral surface area of cube whose volume is 27 centimeter cube is. Okay. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? Surface area of volume. Lateral surface area of a cube whose volume is, means volume of the cube they have given, that is 27 centimeter cube. Lateral surface area we need to find out. Okay. So for that, we know the formula. Volume of a cube, volume of the cube is, volume of the cube is A cube. Right. And volume they have given, that is 27 is equal to A cube. A cube is equal to 27 means A is equal to cube root of 27. Right? Cube root in barutte 27, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. That means A value is 3. Right? Next. ಮತ್ತೇನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ? lateral surface area, that means curved surface area ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕು. So lateral surface or curved surface area of the cube is, curved surface area of the cube is cube is 4a square. Right? 4 into a value is 3 here. 3 square, that means 4 into 9. 9 4s are 36 centimeters. Therefore, A, option A is right. Okay. Next. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ? Volume they have given. By using that volume, first we need to find out the value of A. By using that value of A, we can easily find out the curved surface or lateral surface area of the cube. The formula is 4a square. 4 into a value is 3. 3 square. 3 square is 9. 9 4s are 36. Therefore, option A is right. Next question. A sphere of radius r. Wait. 1 minute. Yes. A sphere of radius r centimeter is melted to form a cone. See here, sphere can be melted in the form of cone. Okay, ಒಂದು sphere ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ? Melt ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. After melting, it is converted into cone. Okay, of converted into cone, melted to form a cone r centimeter and height h centimeter. Then the correct relation is sphere of radius r. Okay, and cone is of radius r and h, height h. Height h. Okay. ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ಇದೆ, ಆ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ? ಮೆಲ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಮೆಲ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ದ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ಈಸ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಕೋನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ದೆನ್ 4/3 pi r cube is equal to 1/3 pi r cube h ಬರುತ್ತಾ? Or 4/3 pi r cube is equal to 1/3 pi r square h. 2/3 pi r cube is equal to 1/3 pi r square h. Observe carefully. 1/3 pi r cube is equal to 4/3 pi r square agutta. Which one is right here? 4/3 pi r cube is equal to 1/3 pi r cube h. R cube h ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ. pi r cube ಅಂತ ಇದೆ, r square h ಇದೆ, r cube h ಇಲ್ಲ. So 4/3 pi r cube, this is the volume of the sphere, right? And it is converted into volume of the cone. That is 4/3 pi r cube is equal to cone. Volume of the cone is 1/3 pi r square h. And the radius of the sphere is small r and radius of the cone is capital R. Okay. So this is 4/3 pi r cube is equal to 1/3 pi r square h ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಇದು. Okay, so option B is right. Remember, whenever you are converting from one form to another, that means cone is converted into cylinder, sphere is converted into cone or cylinder anta bandaga, that time you can use the volume of that particular shape. ಹೌದಾ? ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಮೆಲ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕೋನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಟೈಮ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕೋನ್. ಯಾಕೆ? ಸೊ ನಾವು ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಶೇಪ್ ಅನ್ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಚೂಸ್ ದ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕೋನ್, ರೈಟ್? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, perimeter of a base of cylinder is 24 centimeter, height is 8 centimeter. Okay, that means perimeter is 24 centimeter and height is 8 centimeter. Then the curved surface area will be, okay, ಯಾವುದರ perimeter ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮಗೆ? Perimeter of the cylinder, that means perimeter of the cylinder. Okay, ಒಂದು ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? It contains two circular shapes, right? ಒಂದು ಕೆಳಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು ಮೇಲೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, right? So in this question they have given us the perimeter of this circular shape, that is 24 centimeter. What do you mean by perimeter? Perimeter means, see, this is a circle. Perimeter means what? Outer boundary of the circle we call it as a perimeter, or outer length, boundary length we call it as a perimeter. In other words, it is said that it is also called as circumference. ಇದನ್ನ circumference ಅಂತಾನೂ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, or ಇದನ್ನ ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್. Perimeter means what? Remember, outer boundary. Okay, next. So perimeter of a base of cylinder, that means perimeter is 24 centimeter. ಈ ಒಂದು circular shape ನ perimeter ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. That means the circle circumference of the circle is 24 centimeter, or perimeter of the circle is 24 centimeter. Perimeter. Perimeter means what? It is the circumference of the circle only. So we know the formula to calculate circumference of the circle, that is 2 pi r. 2 pi r is equal to 24 they have given, and height is 8 centimeter. Okay, height is equal to 8 centimeter, and curved surface area will be CSA they have asked. Curved surface area. What is the formula to calculate curved surface area of a cylinder? That is 2 pi RH, right? 2 pi RH. So we know the value of H, but we don't know the value of R. First, we need to find out the value of R. For that, see here, 2 into pi value is 22 divided by 7, and R value we don't know, 24, right as it is. Transfer this 7 to this side and 2 into 22 to this side. Then R is equal to 24 into 7 divided by 2 into 22 we will get, right? 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 twos are. Next, 2 ones are 2 sixes are. 6 sevens are 42 divided by 11. Or else you can calculate directly, right? ಒಂದೇ ನಿಮಿಷ, ಇದನ್ನ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಸಿ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ 2 pi r. 2 pi r is 24 centimeter, and height they have given, that is 8 centimeter, right? And what is the value formula to calculate CSA of cylinder? That is 2 pi RH. Observe carefully. 2 pi r is perimeter or circumference of the circle. The value of 2 pi r is 24 they have given, and H value is 8. 24 into 8. 8 fours are 32. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 3 is 19. So now 192 centimeter square. This is the curved surface area of a cylinder. ಹೌದಾ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮತ್ತು ಹೈಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಏನಂತ, CSA that is curved surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi RH. We know the value of 2 pi R. ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಎಷ್ಟಂತ 24 ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. H is 8. So 24 into 8 is 192 centimeter square. That means option D is right. Next, cuboid. A cuboid of dimensions 12 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 3 centimeter is melted to form a cube. Then the edge of each face of the cube is, okay, ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಇದೆ, ಆ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ನ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ 12 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 3 centimeter ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. It is melted to form a cube. Cuboid is melted to form a cube. ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯೂಬಾಯ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ದೆನ್ ದ ಎಡ್ಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಈಚ್ ಫೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಈಸ್, ಅವಾಗ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಲೆಂತ್ ಇಂಟು ಬ್ರೆಡ್ತ್ ಇಂಟು ಹೈಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಲೆಂತ್ ಇಂಟು ಬ್ರೆಡ್ತ್ ಇಂಟು ಹೈಟ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 12 ಇಂಟು 6 ಇಂಟು 3 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಇದು 216. ರೈಟ್, 216. Next, this is the volume of cuboid, right? Next, the cuboid can be converted or it is melted to form a cube. That means here we are going to consider the volume of cube. ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಶೇಪ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಶೇಪ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಮೆಲ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೇನಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಶೇಪ್ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ. ಸಿ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬಾಯ್ಡ್. ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯೂಬಾಯ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಆ ಕ್ಯೂಬಾಯ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮೆಲ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ಹೌದಾ, ಆವಾಗ ನಾವೇನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ಅದ್ರ ಶೇಪ್ ಅನ್ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ಹೌದಾ, ಸೊ ದಾಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನಾವೇನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬಾಯ್ಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್. ಸೊ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ವಿ ನೋ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ a cube. Volume of the cube can be calculated by using the formula a cube. a ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ನಮ್ಗಿಲ್ಲಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಏನಂತ, ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬಾಯ್ಡ್ ನಮಗ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ 216. ಸೊ ಎ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ, ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ 216. ಎ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 216. ಸೊ ಎ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 216. ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರಿನ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ರೂಟ್ ಇದು, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ 6. ಓಕೆ, therefore 6 centimeter. Option C is right. Next, volume of frustum of cone whose height is h and radii of two circular ends are r1 and r2. Okay, volume of frustum they have asked here and height they have given, that is h, and radius r1 and r2. Which formula is right here? 1 by 3 pi h into r1 plus r2 plus r1 r2. 1 by 3 pi into h, r1 square plus r2 square plus r1 square into r2 square. 1 by 3 pi h r1 square plus r2 square plus r1 r2, or 1 by 3 pi h r1 plus r2 plus r1 square plus r2 square. Yes, which option is right here? Option C is right. Okay, r1 square plus r2 square plus r1 into r2. This is the formula to calculate volume of a frustum of cone where height and radius at the two ends r1 and r2 are given. Curved surface area of a cone whose radius of the base is 7 centimeter. That means R they have given, that is 7 centimeter, and height is slant height, not H, it is slant height they have given, that is L they have given 10 centimeter. Okay, 10 centimeter. We need to find out the curved surface area of a cone. Tell me the formula to find out curved surface area of a cone. That is pi RL. Yes or no? Pi value is 22 divided by 7 and R value is 7 and L value is 10. 7 and 7 will get cancelled. 22 into 10 is 220 centimeter square. Okay. So here options they have not given. Correct answer is 220 centimeter square. This is the curved surface area of a cone. Understood? Next, volume of the frustum of a cone whose height h and radii of two circular. Wait. Again, it is curved surface areas of cone whose radius. Okay, question repeat agide. Sorry. A solid cone is melted to form a cylinder. See, a solid cone is melted. Here, cone is melted to form a cylinder. ಒಂದು ಕೋನ್ ಇದೆ, ಆ ಕೋನ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, ಮೆಲ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಾಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, ಕೋನ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್, ರೈಟ್? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, whose radius is equal to that of the cone. Radius ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, whose radius is equal to that of the cone. If the height of the cylinder is 5 centimeter, then the height of the cone is, okay, height of the cylinder is 5 centimeter and height of the cone is. Cone is melted to form a cylinder. That means ಯಾವಾಗ ಮೆಲ್ಟೆಡ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂತು ಅಥವಾ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಅಂದಾಗ we need to take volume of that particular shape. Okay. Now here cone is converted into cylinder. That means volume of the cone is equal to volume of the cylinder. Volume of the cone is equal to volume of the cylinder. Of the cylinder. Okay. Next. Volume of the cone is 1/3 pi r square h. Right? And it is volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. Right? Pi r square h. Okay. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಕೋನಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಹೈಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ and ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಹೈಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, right? This height we will call it as h1 and this is h2. ಓಕೆ, ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು h1 ಅಂತ ಕರೆಯೋಣ, ಇದನ್ನ h2 ಅಂತ ಕರೆದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹಿಯರ್ pi and pi will get cancel. Okay, r square and this is h1 height of the cone and this is h2 height of the cylinder. Okay, what they have asked, height of the cone is, that means h1 they have asked, right? Height h1 ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕು. Pi and pi will get cancel. R square and R square cancel agate. 1/3 into h1 is equal to h2. Right? h2 means what? Height of the cylinder. Height of the cylinder they have given. That is, height of the cylinder is 5 centimeter they have given. Therefore, 1/3 into h1 is equal to 5. Right? Now, transfer this 3 to this side. You will get h1 is equal to 5 into 3, right? Therefore, h1 is equal to 5 3 is a 15 centimeter you will get. This is the height of the cone. Howda? Ili namge cone is converted into cylinder and the height of the cone is h1, height of the cylinder is h2. Okay, h2 they have given, height of the cylinder is 5 centimeter. We need to find out the height of the cone, that is h1 anna now find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. We know the formula to find out the volume of the cone, that is 1/3 pi r square h. Here it is h1 and volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. Here it is h2. Pi and pi will get cancelled. R square and R square will get cancelled. 1/3 into h1 is equal to h2. 1/3 into h1. Transfer this 3 to this side. You will get h1 is equal to 15 centimeter. Therefore, option B is right. Understood? The ratio of the volume of two spheres. See, this is very important. Here they have given us the ratios. Okay. the ratio of the volumes of two spheres, that is 64 is to 27 respectively. The ratio of the radii is, that means they have given us the ratio of the volumes of two spheres, and what they have asked, the ratio of the radii, that means R1 is to R2 they have asked. Okay. See, this is one sphere and this is another sphere. ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಎರಡು ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಈ ಎರಡು ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಇನ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, that is 64 is to 27. Volume they have given 64 is to 27. Yes. Now volume of the sphere, consider this is first sphere, this is second sphere, and the radius of first sphere is capital R and radius of the second sphere is small r. Okay. Now volume of the sphere, volume of the sphere 1 is equal to volume of second sphere. Volume of second sphere, or this is first sphere or second sphere. Yes. Tell me the formula to find out the volume of a sphere. That is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay. 4 by 3 pi r cube. In first case, in first sphere, r is capital R, right? Here we are going to write capital R cube. ಇದು ನಾವೇನಂತ ಬರಿತೀವಿ, capital R cube. Second volume ಏನಿದೆ, volume of the second sphere, that is 4 by 3 pi r cube. ಯಾಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ here we are considering radius is small r, right? This is small r cube. 4 by 3 pi and pi will get cancelled. R cube is equal to R cube, right? Now R cube is equal to R cube. R cube is to R cube anta madidre, the volumes of two spheres are in the ratio 64 is to 27. That means capital R is 64, volume of the first sphere, this is volume of the second sphere. Therefore R cube is equal to, R ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು first sphere ಅದಲ್ವಾ, R cube is equal to 64, small r cube is equal to 27. Now R cube is equal to 64, that means R is equal to cube root of 64. R is equal to cube root of 27, because we want radii of two spheres, that is R is to R ಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ವಾ ನಮ್ಗೆ. R cube ಬೇಡ, R ಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, R cube is equal to 64, R is equal to cube root of 64. So 64 is a perfect cube number, it is a cubic number. ಹೌದಾ? ಇದ್ರ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ರೂಟ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ರೂಟ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು, 64 is 4, right? 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64, right? 4 is to 27 is 3. Therefore R is to R is 4 is to 3. Option B is right. Okay. Now ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? 2 ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಆ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಇನ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ದ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ is equal to volume of second sphere. Volume of first sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of the second sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. ಯಾವ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ, r cube is equal to small r cube. So r cube is to r cube is equal to 64 is to 27. So r cube is equal to 64, r cube is equal to 27. R is equal to cube root of 64 and R is equal to cube root of 27. Therefore, R value is 4 and small r value is 3. The ratios of the radii is 4 is to 3. Option B is right. Okay. Next. A sphere of radius r units, 1 minute. A sphere of radius r unit is converted into a cone of height r units. Radius of the cone is, okay. A sphere of radius r unit is converted into cone. Here sphere is converted into cone, right? Sphere is converted into cone. the radius of the cone they have asked. For that, ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ? Volume of the sphere or volume of the cone is equal to volume of the sphere. Volume of the sphere is equal to volume of the cone. ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರೂ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. ಹೌದಾ? Sphere can be converted into cone. We are considering the volume of the sphere and volume of the cone, right? Volume of the sphere is equal to volume of the cone, right? Volume of the cone. What is the formula of volume of sphere? That is volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Right? 4 by 3 pi r cube. Next, volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Okay. But ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ? ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ಹೇಗಿರತ್ತೆ? ಹೀಗಿರತ್ತೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ? ಕೋನ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ಸೊ consider this radius is sphere. This radius is capital R and this radius is small r. Okay. ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಆರ್ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಇದನ್ನ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಆರ್ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Next, what they have given is the radius of the cone. R unit is converted into, yes, see, a sphere of radius r unit is converted into cone of height r unit. Height is equal to r unit. See here, height r units, that means h is equal to r here. Okay, h ಏನಾಗಿದೆ? r ಗೆ equal ಆಗಿದೆ. So 4 by 3 pi r cube, 4 by 3 pi r cube is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square. This h can be written as into r. Now, one minute. ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ? ಕೋನ್ ಅನ್ನೇ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಆರ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. 1 minute. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ? ಕೋನ್ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಆರ್ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಅ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಆರ್. ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಆರ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. 1 minute. Once again I will do. See here, sphere is converted into cone. Okay. So consider the radius of the sphere. Radius of the sphere is small r and radius of the cone is capital R. Okay. We know the formula of volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Here it is r cube, small r cube is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Okay. So r is equal to h. That means height of r unit. So h is equal to r. 4 by 3 pi r cube is equal to 1 by 3. This can be considered as capital R. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು capital R ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? 1 by 3 pi into r square into h can be written as small r. Now, 4 by 3 can be written as 4 into 1 by 3 pi r cube is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square into r. Okay. So 1 by 3 and 1 by 3 will get cancelled. Pi and pi will get cancelled. R cube ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 r and 1 r will get cancelled. So ಏನ್ ಉಳಿಯತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ? 4 into r square is equal to r square. Here r square, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ r square ಮಾತ್ರ ಉಳಿತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 into r cube ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 r ಅನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. Therefore we left out with 4 into r square. Okay. Now, r 4 r square is equal to r square. That means r square is equal to 4 r square. R square is equal to 4 r square ಆದ್ರೆ r is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Square root of 4 r square. Right? So r is equal to square root of 4 is 2. R square can be written as r. R square square root ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? r ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? r into r ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ r square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So this is r. R is equal to 2r. Therefore, 2r units. Option B is right. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಆರ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ, ಒಂದ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಆರ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್, ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಯಾವ್ದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. 4 × r² ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು r² ಅಂತ ಉಳಿಯತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. 4r square is equal to 4r². So r is equal to square root of 4 into r². So square root of 4 is 2, square root of r² is 2r. Therefore r is equal to 2r. This is 2r units. Next, total surface area of solid hemisphere. Hemisphere. So this is hemisphere. Okay. Hemisphere na ಒಂದು total surface area ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? That is 4 pi r² or 3 pi r², 2 pi r², 4/3 pi r². This is total surface area, that is TSA of hemisphere, 3 pi r². Next, the total surface area of solid hemisphere is 3 pi r². Again, it is repeated. Okay. A pencil sharp at one edge is a combination of one pencil ಇದೆ ನಿಮ್ ಹತ್ರ. ಓಕೆ, ಆ ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಹೇಗಿದೆ? ದಿಸ್ ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್, ಹೇಗಿದೆ? ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಯಾವ ಎರಡು ಶೇಪ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಜೋಡಿಸಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ದಿಸ್ ದ ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಒನ್ ಕೋನ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕೋನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್, ರೈಟ್? ಇದು ಯಾವ ತರ ಇದೆ? ಇದು ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ ತರ ಇದೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್. ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಇದು ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕೋನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಶಾರ್ಪ್ಡ್ at one edge is a combination of cone and cylinder. Option B is right. Next, a toy is prepared by mounting a cone on the hemisphere. The total surface area is, see, one toy is there. That toy is prepared by mounting a cone on the hemisphere. Means ಒಂದು ಹೆಮಿಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ಇದೆ, ಆ ಹೆಮಿಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ನ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ? ಒಂದು ಕೋನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇಟ್ಟಿದೀವಿ. ಮೌಂಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ mounting a cone on the hemisphere. Okay, ಒಂದು hemisphere, this is hemisphere, right? And we are mounting a cone on the hemisphere. Its total surface area ಅಂತಂದಾಗ ನಾವು ಫುಲ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾವನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ we are going to consider both hemisphere and cone. ಹೌದಾ? ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ which option is right here? 3 pi r² plus pi rl or 4 pi r² plus pi rl or 2 pi r² plus pi rl or 2/3 pi r² plus pi rl. Total surface area ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Yes. Three pi r² plus pi rl or 4 pi r² plus pi rl or 2 pi r² plus pi rl, 2/3 pi r² plus pi rl. Yes, here ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಈ ಒಂದು ಟಾಯ್ ನ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾವನ್ನ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಹೆಮಿಸ್ಪಿಯರ್, ರೈಟ್? ಹೆಮಿಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ನ ಮೇಲೆ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಓಪನ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಓಪನ್, ರೈಟ್? ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಕೋನ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಓಪನ್, ಫುಲ್ ಕವರ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಕರ್ವ್ಡ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೋತ್ ದ ಶೇಪ್ಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ curved surface of hemisphere plus curved surface of cone. Curved surface of hemisphere is 2 pi r² and curved surface of cone is pi rl. Therefore, option C is right. ಹೌದಾ? ಅದು ಫುಲ್ಲಿ ಕವರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ? ಇದು ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದನ್ನ ಜೋಡಿಸಿದೀವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Therefore, this is curved surface area of hemisphere plus curved surface area of cone. 2 pi r² plus pi rl. If the ratio of the radii of two sphere is 4:5, here they have given us the radii of two spheres, means ratios of two sphere, r:r they have given. Then the ratio of their areas is, area they have asked. Okay, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? 4:5 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Next, The ratio of the area. Edra area idu? Area of the sphere, right? We need to find out the area of the sphere and the ratios of the radii they have given, that is 4:5. Okay, next. We know the formula to calculate the area or surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square, right? Here two again, here two spheres are there. First sphere is of radius r and second sphere is of radius capital R, and the radii r is 4:5 they have given, and we need to find out the area of this sphere and area of this sphere, the ratio of these two spheres. ಹೌದಾ? So ನಮಗೆ area of the sphere is 4 pi r square is equal to second sphere is 4 pi capital R square. 4 pi and 4 pi will get cancelled. R square is equal to R square. R means what? R value is 4 and capital R value is 5. This is the first radius of the first sphere and this is the radius of the second sphere. Therefore, R is 4 and capital R is 5. 4 square is, R square means it is 4 square. Capital R square is 5 square. R 4 square is 16 is equal to 5 square is 25. Therefore, the ratio of their area is 16:25. Okay, 16:25. Option C is right. Now, if the volume of two spheres, okay, if the volume of two spheres is in the ratio 27:8, then the ratio of the radii is, means they have given the ratios of the volume of two spheres. Okay, see, this is one sphere, this is another sphere, and they have given us the volume of two spheres, that is 27:8. We need to find out the ratios of the radii. That means radii r:r ಅನ್ನ find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Volume of the sphere ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ? 4/3 pi r cube, right? Volume of the sphere is 4/3 pi r cube. Volume of first sphere is equal to volume of second sphere. Okay, this is 4/3 pi r cube, right? Consider the radius is r here and this radius is capital R. 4/3 pi r cube is equal to 4/3 pi r cube. 4/3 pi and 4/3 pi will get cancelled. So r cube is equal to r cube. Again it is r is equal to r cube is equal to 27 and capital R cube is equal to 8. So r is equal to cube root of 27 and r is equal to cube root of 8, right? 27 cube root is 3, 8 cube root is 2. Therefore, the radii is in ratio 3:2. Option B is right. Okay, next. Number of lead sheets each of radius 2 centimeter can be made by melting a sphere of radius 4 centimeter is ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. That means ಒಂದು lead sheet ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ಎದರಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ? The lead sheet each of radius 2 centimeter can be made by melting a sphere of 4 centimeter. Okay. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂತ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ಇದೆ. 4 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂತ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ಇದೆ. ಈ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮೆಲ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಫ್ 2 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ radius. That is of the radius 2 centimeter. But what they have asked is the number of lead sheets each of radius 2 centimeter can be made by melting a sphere of radius 4 centimeter. ಈ 4 centimeter ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮೆಲ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ 2 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು 2 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಇರುವ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ here also we are going to consider the volume of two spheres. Okay, so first one is volume of 4 centimeter radius, volume of the sphere of radius 4 centimeter. Okay, volume of a sphere 4 centimeter. Okay, next divided by volume of the sphere of radius 2 centimeter. Okay, next volume of is 4 by 3 pi. Consider this is capital R and this radius is small r. Okay, ಈ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ನ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಆರ್ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಇದನ್ನ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಆರ್ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. 4/3 pi r cube. ಓಕೆ, pi r cube divided by 4/3 pi r cube, small r cube. 4/3 will get cancel. Pi and pi will get cancel. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ? r cube divided by r cube. Okay, r means it is the radius of the first sphere, that is 4 centimeter. 4 cube divided by radius of the second sphere, that is 2 cube. 4 cube is 64 and 2 cube is 8. 8 ones are 8 8s are. Therefore, 8 spheres can be made by melting a 4 centimeter radius. 4 centimeter radius. Okay. So, ನಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು 2 centimeter radius ಇರುವಂತಹ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. 8 spheres can be made. This is right. Next, the combination of the solid in capsule is, here you are observing one capsule. It is the combination of, in ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ, what you are going to observe in this diagram, that is one cylinder is there. Yes, very good. One cylinder is there. Next, ಮತ್ತೇನ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಮಗೆ? 2 hemispheres are there. See, dotted line ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮಗೆ. Okay, ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ, this is hemisphere, right? ಹೌದಾ? This part is a circular part and this is hemisphere and this part is a circular part. ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ and this is a hemisphere, right? ಈ ತರ ಇದು hemisphere ಆಗತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು circular part ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಹೀಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, and here also this is hemisphere. Okay, that means in this diagram you are going to consider two parts, that is 2 hemispheres plus 1 cylinder. One cylinder it is. Okay, one cylinder. Next, volume of hemisphere whose radius is r units. Volume of the hemisphere is 1/3 pi r cube or 2/3 pi r cube, 4/3 pi r cube or 3/2 pi r cube. It is 2/3 pi r cube. Option B is right. Okay, next, the volume of this toy. Here one toy is there. ಈ ಟಾಯ್ ನ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ? See, this toy is the combination of hemisphere and one cone. Okay. So, volume of the hemisphere is 2/3 pi r cube, right? And volume of the cone is 1/3 pi r square h. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ಒಂದು ಟಾಯ್ ಇದೆ. ಟಾಯ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆಟಿಕೆ ಸಾಮಾನು ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ಈ ಟಾಯ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹೇಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಬೈ ದ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ 2 ಫಿಗರ್ಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 2 ಶೇಪ್ಸ್. ಒಂದು ಹೆಮಿಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ಇದೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೆಮಿಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ಆಫ್ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಆರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದನ್ನ ಜೋಡಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ, ಯಾವುದು? ಒಂದು ಕೋನ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ volume they have asked me, right? Volume of this toy is 1 is 2/3 pi r cube plus 1/3 pi r square h. Where is the, which option is right here? 2/3 pi r cube, 1/3 pi r square h. Okay, option A is right. Next, surface area of the sphere whose radius is 7 centimeter. Surface area of the sphere, that is 4 pi r square. R they have given. 4 pi. 4 into 22 divided by 7 into R value is 7. 7 into 7. 7, 7 will get cancelled. 22 into 4 is 88. 88 into 7. 61. So 61 centimeter square. Curved surface area of the hemisphere whose radius is 7 centimeter. Curved surface area of the hemisphere, that is 7 centimeter radius they have given. Hemisphere, that is 2 pi r. 2 pi r square. Curved surface area of the hemisphere is 2 pi r square. 2 into 22 divided by 7 into r value is 7 into 7. 7 and 7 will get cancelled. 22 into 2 is 44. 44 into 7. 7 fours are 28. 7 fours are 28 plus 2 is 30. 308 centimeter square. This is right answer. Okay. Yes, my dear students. Whatever we have discussed, okay, that all are very important concepts, and remember the formula. Okay, all of you remember the formula, and also, yes, okay. So ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು, ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ we solved some multiple choice questions also. I hope all of you understood very well. Shall we stop today's session? Okay. Yes, my dear students, all the very best. Study well. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye.